There is no point in boosting the ego of a jackass and trying to make it feel like an horse. By doing so, all you're trying to do is create a false reality, false illusion, and a false idea in the mind of a jackass. A true friend is not somebody who's constantly boosting your ego. A true friend is somebody who's constantly trying to help you to transform, evolve, and self-realize, so that you as a little life can live a full-fledged life on this planet with the embodiment of fragrance and beauty of this very universe. I hope and wish you get the opportunity in your life to have a true friend. Happy Friendship Day.